Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video I'm vlogging my family dinner night outing, so stay tuned to the end of this video, guys. Beautiful people, it's Friday morning and my kids are already dressed up to school, so I'm taking them to school, as you can see in this video. Yes guys, and this is me. We are just about to leave the house. So before I forget, let me quickly introduce myself. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Yes, I live in Germany and my channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join my amazing family if you love what I do. Yes guys, I normally upload videos on weekly basis. So don't forget to subscribe, touch that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos. Yes, to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I never do this alone without you guys. I say may God bless you all. As you can see right now guys, we just arrived to the kindergarten and you can see my beautiful kids in the background and my last baby in the house. So that is it guys. So continue watching and hope you enjoy watching this vlog. Yes guys, actually this weekend is Father's Day, so we decided to have our dinner night outside. Yes, so it's Friday night and actually this weekend is Father's Day, so we want to have the dinner night in a special way. Yes, so right now guys, we are ready to go out and here is me dressed up already to go out. Yes, I'm so excited and the kids are also excited, yeah, to go out and have their dinner, you know. So guys, remember that your thought is needed at the comment section down below. Don't forget to like this video and watch it to the end, and feel free to share my video. It's a way of helping me. Yes guys, you can see my beautiful kids in the building. They are so excited, honestly speaking. So continue watching and tell me your thoughts at the comment section down below. So right now we are just driving to the city, so keep watching guys. So friends, right now we just arrived to the place. Yeah, you can see how my kids are so excited, smiling all through. So we are just going into the place. Here is me, so keep watching. So right now friends, we are about to make our order. Here is me trying to remove my jacket, or the jacket. German we call it jacket. So that is it guys. seriously guys, I almost forgot that I was making video because the food was sugary lekker and everybody had so much fun. My kids were so full that they could not eat again. You can see how they are looking. You can see how they are looking. Look at hubby enjoying his meal in the background. Yes guys, I almost forgot. In fact, at a stage I got tired of filming. You can see we could not even finish our meal. So beautiful people, I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching, please don't forget to like, share, feel free to share my video. So see you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye.